Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel. Oh wait, it doesn't open like that. It opens like this. And I am opening some dolls that I never thought I'd have. Not because I couldn't buy them, but because I don't know. I love them, make no mistake, but I'm always buying other dolls instead. From the MIDI, I just did a video on a MIDI Takara Blythe, Iris Linnea, and her seller on eBay and I were talking back and forth, and she said she had these dolls. I saw these first on Jay Doll's channel. I fell in love that day. That's been some time ago, hadn't it, Jay? I saw them on a few other channels. I've seen a few since. But again, I never thought I'd own them. And oh, I'm so thrilled. Let me get this out carefully. Anyway, the seller who had the MIDI Blythes had these dolls. And she brought it to my attention that she had these for sale. I said, oh, I'd love to have them. But I had just bought, oh my God, I've been buying dolls. I had just bought a Smart Doll, a Kenner, some dolls on AliExpress. What else had I bought? Well, the MIDI and the Mini, and I don't know what else. Oh, and the other Takara, the Neo Takara. And I said, I don't know right now. So she contacted me and made me this unbelievable deal. And man, oh man, I couldn't get it to it fast enough to get my offer into her of what she said she would take. And I still can't believe it. Let me very carefully, boy, oh boy, I don't want to. These dolls are so stinking cute. And you know what? Their eyes are bigger in person. Is that the cutest thing? The bigger dolls. Oh, look at her. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And here, look at that. She tied that so cute around there. This is the story of the bigger doll. Darren, if you will hold that there a minute to give them time, if anybody wants to read it, to freeze that on their screen to read about the bigger dolls.
In French.
Well, there you go. I'll read about it later. No, Spanish, I bet you. Let's see what we got. Yeah, here's English. Okay, sorry about that. Glad you noticed. So I gave it to you in Spanish and English. These dolls are from Spain. They are, I'm sure, based on the Blythe dolls. They are just stunning. When I saw this on Jay Doll's channel, it's been a few years ago. I just fell in love. I mean, I'm thinking this might have been not long after I got into Blythe, or maybe when I got into Kenner Blythe. I can't remember. But, oh, I just fell in love with them. Here comes Indo. Ah, don't hurt your head. Look at the heads. Oh my God, that is so stinking cute. Look at the ears. Oh, that is so cute. 5-point articulation. Oh, he is adorable. Oh, God, look at those eyes. Do these move? No. No. Oh, they're so cute. Now, did he have anything else? No. And then a third one. That fell out, so that might have come out of Indo's. One is Zoe, and the other is, oh, I'd have to look it up, Margaret Frost, coming out of the package now. These are so cute. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Thank you to the seller. I can't tell you how happy I am to have these in my collection. Oh, look at that face. I think it's Margaret Frost. Look at that hair. It has kind of a greenish gray. Oh, she's gorgeous. Look at those eyes. You know I love those green eyes. Oh, look at these dolls. I can't even believe I have not just one, but 3. Thank you so much. thank you, Darren, for all the dolls I have been buying lately. And I hate to tell you, I need stands. Our 3D machines are going, printers, not machines, 3D printing machines are going constantly. They are working on so many things, and one is, well, what do we have going over there? Mostly Winterfest, which I have not been announcing enough. Coming up January, there's more information on lovingmysmartdoll.com. It tells all about Winterfest. It's a fun, just for fun, online smart doll, virtual, I don't know, what would you call it? It's not a show. We're not selling anything. We're not, but there'll be a sewing contest. And the idea of Winterfest is to get to know one another, to sign up, to subscribe, to follow, however you want to say that, to be made aware of who's in the Smart Doll community and what they have. Pardon?
Be a part of the
Be a part of this, yes. Trying to bring a lot of Smart Doll people together with contests and fun things to do, crafts, etc. There will be a goodie bag. It comes with your sign up. Hate to say this, but I will have to charge shipping on it. I was hoping it would be a flat $25, but shipping has just gotten ridiculous. But it's going to be a lot of fun coming up January 2025. Thank you for watching The Dolls Rescue. Tell me, do you have these little bigger dolls in your collection? Or had you seen them before? Like I said, the first place I saw them, I remember, was J Dolls UK channel. I love them. Thank you, Darren. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
They are cute.
They are cute.